In this video, you'll learn everything you need to get and use command blocks in Minecraft. There's two commands I use to get command blocks. The first one is the give command, which will give you the block as an item. However, you can also use setblock to directly place a command block anywhere you want. Now we'll go over all the functionalities of the block. Command blocks allow you to write longer commands. To execute the command inside, you have two options. If you select the option needs redstone, the command will be executed every time the command block receives a redstone pulse. On the other hand, always active will make the command go off as soon as you close the interface, but it will only go off once. If you have a command block with a command in always active, you can press Ctrl and the middle mouse button to get the block with its NBT data. If you place this block down, this will automatically execute the command. If you rename the command block in an anvil, this is a great trick to quickly access your commands. Another option you can choose is conditional and unconditional. You can see how the texture of the block changes. Unconditional command blocks will always execute, while conditional command blocks will only execute if the command block behind it has executed successfully. You can make a command block depend on another one by placing the other one pointing towards it. You probably noticed there's two more types of command blocks. The purple ones are repeat command blocks. They work just like orange command blocks, but will execute their command every single tick they receive redstone signal, or as long as they are set to always active, while the orange ones only do it once. If you want the spam in the chat to stop, just set the command block output game rule to false. This allows you to run a command multiple times, which is very useful to check if something specific is happening. Finally, we have chain command blocks. You can make a chain of command blocks if you place them pointing at each other. Chain command blocks will execute one after the other, which allows you to run multiple commands in a row without having to use redstone. If you set them to needs redstone, they will only execute if they are receiving a redstone signal, but will keep the chain going. Build a chain with unconditional blocks if you always want the commands to execute. Or build it with conditional blocks if you want the chain to stop executing if a step doesn't work. A trick you should know to set off command blocks at a distance is using setblock to place a redstone block next to a command block. You can place or remove redstone blocks automatically to execute different commands, although using chain command blocks is cleaner. Everything I said also applies to Bedrock Edition. However, in Bedrock, you have some extra buttons. You can add notes to your command block to know what it does. You can also add a tick delay so the command doesn't execute at the first tick. However, the text editor is pretty bad. You can't see the text you have selected, which is annoying. To paste text, you have to click this button right here. And this is everything you need to know about command blocks. If you want to see a practical example of this, check out this video right here.